Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode is this cool mix right here, and basically what this is a microphone that you can use for your iPhone device. And you see, this is basically what the product looks right here, and it's from this brand right here. So I'm actually open this up first and show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, this is basically actually looks like inside. So they basically provide you guys a microphone right here, and they basically provide you guys a little cover that you can put on top right here. And right behind all of this, they provide you guys a little bag. So you can definitely use this bag right here to carry like the microphone and all the accessories that's provided for you guys, and you probably carry more stuff as well. And they also provide you guys some warranty card right here, and they also provide you guys some sticker as well. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now I'm actually take out the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So it's definitely pretty small, and you can see this part right here, you guys can move it around. So that way you can adjust the angle on the microphone, which is super convenient. So whether you want to use it this way, or if you guys want to flip it the other way, that is up to you guys, but you definitely have the option on here, which is super convenient. And then for this part right here, it is movable, which is pretty nice. And I really like the fact of how it has a flexible shock mount design, so that way actually it's easier for you guys to use microphone and get the best audio. So basically for this accessory right here, you just want to put it onto right here. So just go like this, make sure it goes all the way in. Alright, so once you guys have it in, this is basically what the product looks like. If you guys notice this part right here, this is basically the lightning option. If you guys want the aux option, they do have an aux option available. But for the one that we have right here is designed for the Apple device. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's actually test out the product to show you guys how to use it and when it actually works. So first thing I want to do is to turn on the recorder and app first, which is right here. Alright, so let's test it out. So basically what you're listening to right now is the microphone that's coming from the actual audio from the iPhone itself before we put on the microphone. Now I'm actually put on the actual microphone right here and show you guys what it actually sounds like. So you basically want to plug this into the bottom part right here. So for this product, it won't work if you guys use it with the case on. So we do need to remove the case first. Alright, so I just removed the case. Let's try again. Alright, so we got it on. And once you plug it in, you can see after you got this part right here, and we'll click on other device. Alright, so basically what you're listening to right now is the microphone that's coming from this option right here. If you guys can hear what it actually sounds like. Now let me actually listen to the audio of both microphones and see what the difference is. Alright, so I just finished listening to audio on the microphone on the iPhone versus the microphone that we just plugged in right here. I definitely noticed the audio quality on the microphone right here sounds a lot better than the iPhone quality right here. So that's definitely really nice if you guys are planning to use like an iPhone to do like interviews, or if you guys are planning to do YouTube videos. You'll definitely get the best audio using this part right here. And obviously if you guys plan on using this outdoor, you probably want to get a windscreen muff. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you guys what I mean real quick. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they definitely have the logo right here, and then right here you can see they have this furry part right here to give you guys that protection and everything once you guys set it up to block off any saliva, spit, or wind, or whatever. And then this part right here, you basically want to insert it into the microphone. Alright, so I just removed the microphone, so if the audio does not sound that great, I apologize for the inconvenience. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. So what I want to do is move this part right here first. Just like that. Once you guys take it out, you guys can put this inside right here. Make sure it goes all the way in. Alright, so once you guys have it all set up, this is basically what the product looks like. So now if I actually put this back on my camera and actually record stuff, and if there's like any wind or saliva or whatever, it should lower like the noise or saliva or the wind or whatever. Alright, so you see that is basically what I meant. So you can definitely add that on here, so that way it actually blocks out like the wind and everything when you guys are recording outdoors. Because most likely it's probably gonna be windy when you guys are recording outdoors. So definitely getting one of those windscreen muffs is actually really convenient and actually really useful. So that way actually cancels out a lot of the winds and everything when you guys are recording outdoor. But if you guys can hear from the audio from both microphones, you can definitely hear the microphone on here actually sounds a lot better. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality microphone to use on your iPhone device, or if you guys want to use it on your iPad as well. As long as it supports like a lightning cable, then you can definitely get one of these right here. But like I mentioned earlier, they do have an aux option as well. So if you guys want to get that one, you can definitely plug that into any device that can support aux output. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.